Good morning. One of our clients emailed with a great question yesterday that I don't think I've ever answered before in an FAQ. So they wanted to know what was going to happen to their joint revocable trust if they got a divorce. Obviously, that's never a great situation to be in. During the divorce proceeding with your divorce attorney, you're going to be dividing up assets and deciding what that future looks like for you. Once that's settled, we're going to be moving things out of the joint trust and into your own estate plans. Ideally, each spouse is going to create their own estate plan, and we'll just move the assets directly into those plans the way that they've been allocated pursuant to the divorce. So that's the relatively simple answer to that one. Unfortunately, the joint trust does need to get dissolved. Why? Because the marriage has been dissolved. The tangential question that we sometimes get with this is, I'm getting divorced, and can I change my estate plan while the divorce is ongoing? And the answer is yes, sort of. So what I mean by that is, yes, you can create your own estate plan separate and apart from your spouse. However, there are things in the law that don't allow you to disinherit a spouse. So your divorce lawyer needs to be a part of this conversation, so they make sure they get certain appropriate language in the separation agreement so that this will be effective. But certainly you can change things like your healthcare proxy, right? If you don't want your current spouse to be making those decisions anymore, or your advance directive, power of attorney, those types of things. But most assets, if they're jointly owned, it's going to take both of you to make a decision on what's going to happen with those. And again, we can't really disinherit a spouse, so we need the divorce lawyer involved in making sure that your wishes will be carried out. So I hope that helps people. And if you do have more questions about that, you're in the middle of a divorce, thinking of a divorce, getting ready, it doesn't mean you should wait to do your estate planning. There's still a lot of things that we can get done that are going to protect you and your future wishes while you and your spouse are figuring things out. All right, have a great week.